Hi everybody, today I will show you how to add numbers in Google Sheets. Let's begin. So, there's a couple of ways to do this and I will show you both. The first way is just typing a quick formula directly into the cell. Simply select any empty cell where you want the sum to be. Now, type equal sign and sum. Now, open a bracket and simply enter the first cell that you want to add. In my case, it's B2. So I will type in B2. Now, type in colon. After adding a colon, simply select the next cell that you want to add. If you want to add just 2 cells, you can enter the cell, and if you want to add up to 3 cells, you'll have to just enter the last cell that it's extending up to. So in my case, it's D2. So I will add from B2 to D2. Now I will close the bracket and hit enter. Now it will instantly show me that the sum of these 3 cells is this. Now, to quickly add up the numbers for all these rows, what I can simply do is click on the calculation done here and extend this till the last. And the sum for all these columns will be instantly shown here. Now, in the second way, you can simply click on any empty cell, type equal to sign and add numbers freely. Like I will add 15, 12. Now, I will add a plus sign, type in the second number, add a plus sign and type in the third number. I'll hit enter and you can see the sum for the 3 numbers I added will be shown just right here. You can see these two are same. So that's how you add numbers in Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.